Hi everyone, Joe Gentili from Saroff Gentili LLP. In this video, I want to talk about lawsuits that deal with naturalization delays. So, in the world of all the different types of lawsuits that you could bring, mandamus lawsuits that you could bring for delays in the immigration process, I think the single most powerful one is lawsuits that you could bring for when there's a delay that occurs after a naturalization interview happens. So if you have an N-400 that's pending, you have your interview, you're 120 days or more beyond that interview and still there's no decision. At that point, you could sue in what's called a 1447B lawsuit. And those lawsuits are powerful and probably more powerful than other types of lawsuits for two reasons. Reason number one is that 120-day deadline is ironclad. If the government doesn't have a decision 120 days after, you can go to court and a judge could compel them to issue a decision or decide the case themselves. Government really doesn't have much of defense there. You have a really, really strong case to force a decision to happen. Number two, unlike mandamus cases, 1447B cases, in 1447B cases, federal judge has the ability to decide the case themselves. They can review your case de novo. What that means is that the judge could come to their own conclusions and they do not have to follow any conclusions that USCIS has made. So if USCIS made a determination about your case that's not in your favor, the judge could completely disregard it and decide the case on their own. They even have the power to approve your case and issue the oath right in their courtroom. So a judge has a lot of power with a 1447B case, and as a result, the people that bring these cases are on a much more equal footing with USCIS if there's a dispute than in other types of cases. They're very powerful. So if you're 120 days or more after your interview, you don't have a decision yet, maybe worth reviewing this with an attorney to see if you should bring a case. If the delay is causing you some sort of hardship and an approval would cure that, it's worth running by an attorney. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. And as always, I encourage you to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.